in this video, I'm going to talk about the last example of solving for the equation for the angles. And the question said that given the two angles, measure of angle ABC, so ABC, this angle right over here, that should be equal to 8x minus 41 degrees, so 8x minus 41 degrees. And for the next angle, so measure of angle CBD, this angle right over here, that should be equal to 9x plus 17 degrees. So 9x plus 17 degrees. And before we do that, we know the one thing of this is the line. So that means this total angle will be 180 degrees. That means the angle ABC plus the angle CBD will gonna give us 180 degrees. So let's write it down. So measure of angle ABC plus the measure of angle CBD should be equal to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees. So we know the measure of angle ABC, which is equal to 8x plus 3 minus 41 degrees plus the measure of angle CBD, which is equal to 9x plus 17 degrees, so 9x plus 17 degrees. And that we're going to give us 180 degrees. And we can simplify left turn with the like terms, 8x plus 9x, which is we're going to give us 17x. So 17x and minus 41 degrees plus 17 degrees, we're going to give us minus, so minus, if we subtract, we're going to be 31 minus 7, which we're going to give us 24 degrees. That should be equal to 180 degrees. And if we add 24 degrees to both sides in order to keep it equal, and I need to isolate 17x, and in the left side 24 degrees, we're going to cancel it out, and it's going to be equal to 17x should be equal to 180 degrees plus 24 degrees. We're going to give us 204 degrees. And we can divide 17 to the both sides in order to isolate x, and 204. So 204 divided by 17 should be equal to 12. So this is going to be, they're going to give us 12. 17, we're going to cancel that, and we can see that x should be equal to 12. But we're now finding the value of 12, which is x. We need to substitute the value to the original equation. And the question asks us to find the measure of angle CBD, and we can substitute x to the original equation. So if we do, they're going to be 9x plus 17 degrees. If we substitute x, which is 12, it's going to give us, so 9 times 12, we're going to be equal to 108, plus 17, we're going to give us, let's see, so 5 to 1, so 125 degrees. So we can say that the measure of angle CBD should be equal to 125 degrees.